Hello everyone. Today in this tutorial we will discuss about how to find the biggest number of any three numbers using Python programs. File, new files. Write a Python program to find the biggest number of any three numbers. First line is as a comments line, because after execution this program this line is not compiles because it is used as a comments line, and it is used only self understandings. Also we say that the hint for these programs or documentation of these programs. Here we are taking any three variables. First, a is a variable's name, int is a data types, input, enter the value of a, next b, int, input, enter the value of b, next variable, third variables is c. Now we check the value of a and b, and we are use the nested if else. If a greater than b, if a is greater than b, then again we are check the a is greater than c. If a is greater than b, then also will be the value of a is greater than c. If it is true conditions, then print a is the biggest number, else print c is the biggest number, else again we are check the if a is greater than b, then b is greater than c. If this condition is true, then print the value of b, b is the biggest number, else print c is the biggest number. Then we are press the F5 buttons before run a programs. We are save these programs like biggest any 3 dot py. Here biggest any 3 is a primary name and py is a secondary names or extension of Pythons. Enter the value of a. Here assume enter the value of a equal 10, enter the value of b equal 30, enter the value of c equal 90. C is the biggest number. Okay, thank you. Any query you can ask me.